So I'm looking at the hood, and again, I've got photos of this that probably show it better, but you can actually see where the hood doesn't line up, and it's probably off close to 1/8 of an inch or so on this side. And that, I mean, I think that's pretty easy to fix. But when you get down here, you can actually see the gap's a little bigger in the front, and this piece here has a large gap and doesn't fit flush with this. It sits back further than this piece. But here's the big thing. So if I go to put my finger under this side over here, you can see how if I put my hand flat, my fingernail kind of hits, right? If I go to this side and do the same thing, check it out. My finger's flat and my whole fingernail almost goes up and in here. So there's a huge difference between the way the grill fits on this side and the way the grill fits on this side, as you can see. So, I mean, that's off by a bundle. You know, so if you look here at how tight that piece fits to the grill, and then you look at that side over there, you can see there's a big gap there. And then I also noticed that these panels have large gaps where the trim pieces should, I think, be tighter. And maybe I'm wrong, maybe that's how they're supposed to be, but you can see how large these gaps are. It's almost like the whole grill isn't in correctly. But, you know, I don't know that for sure. Just speculating at this point. And then this piece over here, you can see it sticks out a little bit. It doesn't really line up great. And then this side's pretty close, but the hood's a little bit lower than the trim piece that's over here. So that's that.